All right, so we made it to the West Seattle golf course. Just gonna do our first tee off. First time with a golf glove. It's already started to rain. I do see patches of blue sky, but we're gonna set this up. We're gonna tee off. First round of the year. First shot of the year is definitely in the fairway. First hole done, the par 5. I didn't do so good, but I shot an 8, triple bogey. Second hole, par 4. Okay, I was a little short with my approach shot, so I'm laying 3. So this is my par putt. Okay, we're on a par 3. It's very short, 115. Teed off from up here, across the gully over there. On the green in 1, baby. Got a birdie putt coming up. Look at this. Like 4 feet from the hole. This is for the birdie. Of course I missed. I'm done. 8 holes now. But aside from that triple bogey on the first hole and that blunder on the par 3, I did par on par 5, then bogey, bogey, bogey. So I'm playing bogey golf now, but I still got to gain a couple strokes. So I'm on to the 9th hole, and it's a par 5. That was a monster shot. Second shot on this par 5. I'm not going to make it to the green in 2. I'm still 290 yards away. Let's see how close we can get. That thing bounced like probably 30 feet in the air off the cart path. That was awesome. But I'm off to the right and I'm stuck in some trees. So let's try and get on the green in 3 and set ourselves up for maybe a birdie or a par. Okay, so I was stuck in the trees. Took me 2 shots to get onto the green here. You can see my ball. So this is actually my par putt. Let's see if we can sink this and get out of the rain. Go get a hot dog or something. Bogey. All right, I had a hot dog, played the 10th, got a bogey. The rain has stopped, so we are on to the 11th, par 3, 150 yards, slightly downhill. Let's see if we can get this bad boy on the green with a 9-iron. Chipping a putt for a par. Let's find out. I'm on the green, but I'm in this repair, so we're going to move the ball onto the green. Well, after that really good drive right in the middle of the fairway, I topped a ball, I hit a tree, and end up with a bogey. Gotta keep going here. I'm 5 over on the back 9 after 3 holes, so I gotta gain 2 strokes. Par 3 coming up. So there's about 10 yards short of the green. It's starting to pour rain again, so we just got to do a chip and a putt. Chip. Now I just got to put the par in. Okay, something that's never happened to me on the golf course before. I had a bird jump into my cart and on my scorecard. So it's been miserable and wet and raining. And now all of a sudden, the sun's come out on a par 4. Great view of Seattle in the background. Look at this fairway. I should be able to hit that, no problem, right? All right, after that killer drive up the middle, my approach shot was good weight. I'm just on the fringe over there. This is a par 4, I'm there on 2, so this is a birdie putt. Bogey it is. On to the next one. So I am onto the 18th tee here. Sun's out slightly, cloudy, but the rain has stopped. That's the big thing. I didn't film a couple holes. I had a couple bad holes as well, another double bogey. So on the front 9, I was playing bogey golf. I shot a 46 out of a 37 for par. On the back, I'm a little short. I actually need a birdie on the last hole to shoot bogey golf for the day. So I'm close. So I'm gonna film the last hole and hopefully we can get a birdie. Our first one of the day on the last hole would be awesome. Okay, so this hole is only 310 yards, but I shot to the left. I'm in the rough. Bunker right in my way. Here's my second shot. That's pretty short. I didn't have any follow through. I'm not even on the green after 2 and I need a birdie. So I basically need to chip this in for birdie to shoot bogey golf for the day. All right, this is for par on the last hole. And my dignity. Bogey. So that means I shot 1 over bogey golf. Pretty good day considering the rain, and it turned out really nice. There's some blue sky now, but basically now that I'm done golfing, I have a nice, very long drive from Seattle back into Canada and back home. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.